6 oils that will fight wrinkles and give you a youthful skin. 1. Arganol. Packed with antioxidants and fatty acids, arganol hydrates and nourishes the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 2. Marulol. Known for its high levels of vitamin C and E, marulol helps boost collagen production, improving skin elasticity and firmness. 3. Sweet almond oil. Rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, sweet almond oil moisturizes the skin and protects against free radical damage, preventing premature aging. 4. Rosehip oil. A powerhouse of vitamins A and C, rosehip oil promotes cell regeneration and collagen synthesis, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and scars. 5. Olive oil. With its potent anti-inflammatory properties, olive oil helps soothe and soften the skin, diminishing the signs of aging and promoting a youthful glow. 6. Black seed oil. Packed with antioxidants and essential fatty acids, black seed oil helps repair and rejuvenate the skin, leaving it smoother and more radiant. If you want to see more videos like this, comment "I need more." 5 gut-friendly foods you must not ignore. 1. Greek yogurt. This creamy powerhouse is rich in probiotics, the live bacteria that enhance your gut microbiome. Greek yogurt has more protein than regular yogurt, which helps with satiety and overall gut function. Just make sure it has no added sugar. Go for whole plain Greek yogurt. 2. Blueberries. These tiny nutrient-dense berries are packed with soluble fiber, which slows down digestion and allows your body to absorb more nutrients. They're also high in antioxidants, which reduce inflammation in the gut and promote a healthy digestive system. 3. Spinach. This leafy green is a fiber goldmine, providing both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting regular bowel movements. 4. Quinoa. This ancient grain is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, which are crucial for repairing and maintaining gut lining. 5. Avocado. This creamy fruit is a gut health superstar, thanks to its high content of monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats are anti-inflammatory and help maintain the integrity of your gut lining, preventing leaky gut syndrome. Follow for more.
Do you suffer from bone discomfort, arthritis, or rheumatism? Pain in your knees and back can make your days quite challenging, but don't worry today. I'll bring you a natural remedy that might be just what you need to relieve those problems. This simple remedy consists of 2 tablespoons of oats and a cup of boiling water. We'll explain how to prepare it so you can regain your well-being. 1. Add the 2 tablespoons of oats to a glass and pour the cup of hot water over them. Let the mixture sit for 3 hours. After waiting for the 3 hours, strain the mixture using a strainer, and your remedy will be ready to consume. This remedy is effective. I'll encourage you to try it and share your experience with us. Thank you for watching the video. Until the next time, follow for more. 4 oils that will fight wrinkles and give you a youthful skin. 1. Carrot seed oil. Rich in antioxidants and beta-carotene, carrot seed oil stimulates collagen production, reducing wrinkles and age spots. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe and calm the skin. 2. Grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil's lightweight, non-greasy texture absorbs quickly, providing long-lasting hydration. Its polyunsaturated fatty acids help maintain skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of fine lines. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil's antioxidants and fatty acids nourish and protect the skin, promoting a smooth, even tone. Its anti-aging properties help reduce wrinkles, leaving skin looking youthful and radiant. 4. Argan oil. Argan oil's rich antioxidants and essential fatty acids deeply moisturize and regenerate skin cells. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and irritation, revealing a calm, glowing complexion. 5. Sandalwood oil. Sandalwood oil's anti-aging properties stimulate collagen production, reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Its grounding scent promotes relaxation, reducing stress-related skin issues. Which one are you going to try? Let me know down in the comments. Follow for more. If you can't sleep well and suffer from insomnia, here I bring you the simplest solution you can find, backed by doctors and science. This 1-ingredient infusion will help you increase the production of serotonin, necessary for a good night's rest. Boil the peel of a banana in half a liter of water, and drink a cup half an hour before going to bed. This will be enough since it contains a substance called tryptophan, an essential amino acid for increasing serotonin production. Additionally, It is rich in magnesium and potassium, minerals that contribute to quality sleep. You can also add a few cinnamon sticks to this infusion to enhance the aroma and flavor. Remember that you can leave me a comment. Let me know in the comments what you suffer from and I will tell you what you should take. Until next time, thank you.